Okay, this is a video that's going to show you how to play the verse section of Three Little Birds by Bob Marley on the keyboard. Now, if you haven't watched the video that relates to learning the three chords used in this song, the video that will show you how to play the introduction section, or the video that shows you how to play the chorus section, I suggest you go back and watch those first, because we're going to use a lot of the information we learnt in those three videos in playing this verse section. However, we're not going to go into too much detail about it. Now, to play the verse section, you're going to use all three chords that we learned. That was the A major, the D major, and the E major. Those three chords again, the A major, the D major, and the E major. And the pattern that you're going to play it in is 4 A's, 4 E's, 4 A's, 4 D's. 4 A's, 4 E's, 4 D's, and 4 A's. You're going to play that pattern in the skank rhythm that we learnt during the introduction video, which will go like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if I play the first half of the verse section, that's 4 A's, 4 E's, 4 A's, and 4 D's, it will sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, the second half, which is 4 A's, 4 E's, 4 D's, and 4 A's, will sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, you're probably going to have to play the entire pattern quite slowly to start with before gradually speeding it up. The entire pattern, played all at once, will sound like this. Okay, and that's how you play the verse section to Three Little Birds by Bob Marley on the keyboard.